You, are you feeling like I just was? Tired, freaking exhausted, and totally depleted from sitting at the computer all the freaking time? Zoom meetings, a pandemic, we're exhausted. I'm going to show you an exercise that I created called Fishy Spine, and it's here to rejuvenate and restore vitality. I'm going to show you a little exercise I've created called Fishy Spine. If you're sitting a lot, imagine your spine is moving like a fish. You know how fish wiggle and wobble? Wiggle and wobble? Because I just made that word up. Wiggle and wobble. So imagine that your spine, and join me. I'm going to invite you to pay attention. Notice your sit bones, right? And just kind of put right, left. Alternate your pressure on your sitting bones. And notice as you do that, you can imagine your sacrum and your tailbone kind of doing a bit of this. And see if you can allow that to kind of translate up your spine. And notice, how does my fishy spine want to wiggle? How does my fishy spine want to move? And see if you can bring the energy up as you move your tailbone, your sit bones. The energy is coming up, and as you notice it coming up, how far up can it go? Mine kind of gets stuck right here. Surprise, surprise, right? So then maybe see what else wants to help the fish move, right? Maybe you move your head side to side and you kind of lead with your cranium. And kind of now initiate the movement top down, or maybe from your shoulders. How does it want to wiggle? And just notice what you're feeling, right? A few minutes ago, I was seriously exhausted and depleted. And kind of now, as I'm letting my fishy spine wiggle and wobble around, and I'm doing this video with you, and hopefully you're joining me in this exercise, I'm feeling a little more rejuvenated and a little bit more energy. And that's because these reciprocal movements of right, left in a rhythmical fashion have a way of dispelling nervous system arousal and moving your autonomic circuits back into a ventral vagal state, which promotes vitality and restoration and health and growth and expansion. And so just anytime you're sitting and you're exhausted and depleted, Fishy Spine is a good way to circulate your blood flow and restore and recalibrate some energy and vitality. If you're in a meeting, turn off your screen for 30 seconds, do some Fishy Spine, or get super sneaky with it. And just do a little bit. Most of the time, people are too hung up on their own lives to notice that you're wiggling back and forth just a little bit. But secret you know that you're doing things to restore your vitality and bring yourself some life force energy back. It's a little secret weapon called Fishy Spine. Give it a try. If you like this video, hit like. If you want more, subscribe to the channel so you get notifications. I'm a physical therapist and a psychotherapist. And there's some weird spirit stuff that moves through me too. So I'm a pretty powerful healer. Around the country, I offer free consults. Reach out. Would love to connect with you. Have a great day.